Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to sign out Gmail from Chrome. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to sign out your Gmail account from Chrome, then you need to open Chrome browser. Now here on the top, you will find profile icon. Press on it. Now press on the Gmail email ID. Now here you need to scroll down and in the bottom you will find the option to sign out. So by pressing sign out, you will be signed out from Chrome browser. So friends, like this you can very easily sign out Gmail from Chrome. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.